Hey there! Welcome to today's video where we'll be discussing how to budget and save money like a pro. It's no secret that managing your finances can be tough, but with the right strategies and mindset, you can take control of your money and achieve your financial goals. Part 1. Understanding your income and expenses. The first step in creating a budget is to understand your income and expenses. Start by listing all of your sources of income and then track your expenses for a month. This will help you understand where your money is going and identify areas where you can cut back. For example, if you notice that you're spending a lot on eating out, you can start cooking more meals at home. Part 2. Creating a budget. Once you have a clear understanding of your income and expenses, it's time to create a budget. A budget helps you track your income and expenses and ensures you're living within your means. Begin by listing all of your sources of income and your expenses. Identify your discretionary and non-discretionary expenses. Discretionary expenses are things like entertainment, eating out, or shopping, while non-discretionary expenses are essential expenses like rent, utilities, and groceries. Allocate your income to these expenses to ensure you're not overspending and can save money. You should aim to save at least 20% of your income each month. Make sure to also include any debt payments in your budget. Make sure to set aside some money for unexpected expenses and savings as well. Part 3. Sticking to your budget. Creating a budget is easy, but sticking to it can be difficult. One way to stay on track is to automate your savings. Set up automatic transfers from your checking account to your savings account each month. This means setting up a direct deposit from your paycheck into a savings account each month. You can also consider setting up a separate savings account specifically for emergencies. You can also use budgeting apps to help you track your spending and stay within your budget. Another important aspect of saving is investing. This can help your money grow over time and generate passive income. However, make sure to do your research and invest wisely. I hope you found these tips helpful and feel inspired to take control of your finances. Remember, budgeting and saving money takes time and effort, but the rewards are worth it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.